The Xive concept offers you 4 outstanding features. Active bone control is a patented combination of bone-specific preparation protocol and bone-condensing thread design, which guarantees superior primary stability for all types of bones. The Freodent Plus surface, with its grit-blasted and high-temperature etched microstructure, allows early osseointegration and a stable bone-to-implant contact. Xive ensures bone preservation thanks to Platform Switch and its integrated Platform Switch option that supports improved crestal bone levels with favorable soft tissue conditions. The Xive implant provides ease of use and versatility in prosthetics with an immediate treatment option for all indications. The precise internal hex connections with self-guiding features and color-coded components support an error-free workflow. Hello and welcome. Today, I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to introduce you to the Xive system. It comes with 2 types of implants, the 2-piece Xive S Plus implant and the 1-piece Xive TG implant. This is the Xive surgical kit. We use the same kit for both implant types. The kit comes with a useful organizer. You remove it by pressing on the tab on the side. And then, when you place it on the table, you have a convenient tray to put all your used drills into during surgery. So, let's take the lid off. Press the tab in the front, tilt it back, pull up, and off it goes. When you take a closer look, you'll see you have the tool module here and the drill module on the other side. Here in the tool module, we have a measuring scale which lets you quickly cross-check the various drill lengths. So let's move on to the round drill. The twist drill in short and long in a diameter of 2.0 millimeters. Then along here are the twist drills in 3.0, 3.4, 3.8, 4.5, and 5.5. You can see you have a short and a long version. The short one's up to 15 millimeters and the long one's in 18 millimeters. One row below, you'll find the crestal drills. These are mandatory drills to prepare the osteotomy appropriate to the different bone qualities. One row below that, you have the taps. The taps are optional, but must be used in case of very dense bone quality of D1. At this point, it's important to note that all drills, from twist drills to crestal drills, should be operated at a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. The tap operates at 15 RPM. All Xive implants are equipped with a pre-mounted temp base, which gives you the advantage that the implants are placed with only one size of implant driver that fits into the temp base, regardless of the implant diameter. After placing the implant with the implant driver for the temp base, you have the option to take off the temp base by using the 0.9 hex screwdriver. You see it down here in a short and a long version. Now, even though you have removed the temp base, you can still continue screwing in the implant by using the implant drivers you can see here for the diameters 3.0, 3.4, and 3.8. Of course, you can do this by motor or manually with the torque wrench. For easier operative planning, you can count on the measuring implants located here and the select abutments just below them here. Let's go back to the top and have another look at the intuitive clockwise organizing principle. You have the round drill, the twist drills in 2.0, and then the twist drills in 3.0, 3.4, 3.8, 4.5, and 5.5. Then, down to the crestal drills, the taps, and finally, the implant drivers. After you have finished the implant placement, simply remove the temp base and cover the implant with one and the same 0.9 hex screwdriver. For detailed information on the cleaning and sterilization of our surgical kits, please see the cleaning and sterilization instructions. The Xive Surgical Manual provides you further information on our surgical protocols. Yes, drill stops are available either as a single item or in a complete so-called security kit. Depending on the wear, cutting instruments should generally be replaced after 10 cycles of use. Blunt or damaged drills must be replaced immediately. Yes, the Xive system offers single patient drills for every diameter. Yes, taps are available, but they are only mandatory in case of very dense bone like bone quality D1. The maximum recommended speed is 1500 RPM. The maximum speed for the tap is 15 RPM. The recommended maximum insertion torque for the Xive implant is 50 Newton centimeters. Depending on the bone quality, the Crestal twist drill is used in depths between 2 millimeters and up to 6 millimeters. Those dimples always reflect the flat part of the inner hexagon of the implant. In order to use the index for an optimum restorative result, one of those dimples should point in the vestibular direction. The pitch is 0.9 millimeters per turn. It is used as a placement head for index registration and as a temporary abutment. The transgingival implant design eliminates the need for additional abutments, and the option of a one-stage surgical procedure is time-saving and comfortable for the patient. By pairing a Xive TG one-piece implant with an implant superstructure, it is possible to utilize all the benefits of a patient-specific restoration and increase cost-effectiveness. The Xive system offers two different screwdrivers. One is 0.9 millimeters and one is 1.22 millimeters in width. Xive S implants have three different implant abutment hexagon interfaces. One for the diameter 3.0, one for 3.4, and one for the diameters 3.8 through 5.5. The connection geometry has a width of 1.8, 2.2, and 2.5 millimeters. You start with the round drill, followed by the twist drills 2.0, 3.0, 3.4, 3.8, then down to the Crestal drill. The preparation depth with the Crestal drill depends on the bone quality. The denser the bone, the deeper the preparation. In case of bone quality D1, you use the Crestal drill up to 6 millimeters. After Crestal drilling, the tap is used additionally to the same depth. A tap should be used in any case of bone quality D1. On all other bone qualities, the tap is not necessary, as all Xive implants are self-cutting.